Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys our new roulette feature and how to put it in your websites. So in this screen we're going to be where we recreate the roulette. I've already made one, so I'm just going to show you the creative process for this, but if you need to make a new one you would just press new here. I'll press the pencil to edit. Here you can give it the title, the reason for taking the roulette, and the number of prizes. The next would be to create the color or pick the color of the wheel. I just chose black. Next, we could add a logo. I have a logo here that I'm going to put in there. Next, we're going to select the background. This is going to be a solid color that goes in the background. I've already selected one, but if you wanted to pick your own, you click this. It would typically bring up a client like this to pick the color. I can just pick a different color here, like the blue. The next step is going to have us to insert the prizes. This is a very important thing to note here. So I have iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, BlackBerry, just some phone examples, and then the color of the text that will appear. It's very good to note that these are going to be the codes that they will use at checkout. These need to be absolutely unique, which means no two codes that can be identical on the entire server. So you'll have to be really creative and create your own unique coupon codes here. Next, for Mailing Boss, we're just going to configure the message that they get sent. So it'll be the list drop down, we'll pick the list, then the subject and the text that goes in the message there. Now we can configure what it's going to say to them. This is going to be what's next to the wheel so they know what to do. This is going to be the title right here. This is going to be the subtitle, the description. Then this is going to label the name field and label the email field here. Make sure that you know that placeholder is what goes in the what they fill out box, and the label is what is labeling it. Next, we're going to have down here the buttons. There's the button here that you click to spin the wheel. And then down here is the text that appears when they win and text that appears when there is an error, which would be something like having to put the email again because it might not be a real email or something along those lines. Now the final step is we generate the roulette. And now I will show you guys how to put it in the website. You're going to click here. It's going to give you this box here to paste the code in the head section. This is referring to the page head scripts of your page. And then we're going to pick copy here, or just click it to copy, and then we're going to go put it in the website. Once we're in the editor of the website, we're going to go over here to this section here where your layouts are, and then go to the page and click the gear. I've already put the script in this section here, but you would just paste the script here in the page head script section, then save. Make sure that you save the website here. And then in the live version of the website, this pops up after a few seconds of scrolling or just existing on the page. And then you would just fill out your name, a simple email, and then click this button, and then it will spin this. And then you'll be able to pick your prize. All right, guys, that's basically everything you need to know about the roulette, and we'll see you in the next video.